Students, welcome again to Smile with English, and today I'm going to explain the poem Wind, which is from your Beehive book class 9. So let's start the poem. The name of the poem is Wind, and it was written by Subramanya Bharti. So she had written the poem, but actually it was afterwards translated into English by A.K. Ramanujan. So before it was written in Tamil, and afterwards it was just translated in English by A.K. Ramanujan. Okay, so first see the lines of the poem. Wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. So here the poet is saying what? That wind, please come in a very slow manner, and you don't break the shutters of the windows. You don't just scatter the papers. You don't throw down the books on the shelf. So you just see, wind, what you have done. You have just torn the pages of the books, and you also brought rain again. So the poet is saying that you also brought the rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings means that you are very clever and you are making fun of the weak people. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lights. So you are just breaking the houses, you're breaking the doors, you're breaking the beams of the houses, you're breaking the wood of the house, you're breaking the bodies. Bodies means the people. You're taking the lives of the people, and also you're destroying the lives of all the people, and you're also breaking the hearts of the people. Next, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell them. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. So here, the poet is saying that you can see on page number 31, you can see this picture. This is the meaning of winnowing. Winnowing means you can see these ladies, what they're doing. They're blowing the grain free of chaff. They're separating grains from the husk by blowing on it. Okay, so like this is the way of winnowing. So here also, as the ladies, you can see they're winnowing the grains like that. The poet is saying that the god of wind, he's also blowing the chaff as if he's just separating the good from the separating the strong people from the weak ones, and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell them. So the wind will not listen to you. He will not do what you will tell them. So come, let's build strong homes. So we should have you have to build a strong house. Let's join the doors firmly. We have to join the doors very strongly. Practice to firm the body. You have to be strong. You have to make your body and mind strong. Make the heart steadfast. You have to make your heart also firm and unmoved. Do this and the wind will be friends with us. So if you do these things, then only the wind will be friend with us. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. So he's saying what? The poet is saying that we have to make friendship with the wind, because as when the wind blows, what happens? The weak fires, they are blown down by the wind. Whereas if the fire is strong and wind blows on the strong fires, you will see that fire will grow. So like that manner only, if you are strong, what will happen? Even if there are many hardships and many type of miseries going on in your life, what will happen? You will grow. Okay, so you have to be friendship with the wind, and you will praise him every day. This poem, the wind, is compared with the different atrocities which comes in our life, the different adversities of life which will come in our life, and the adversities does not listen to us, isn't it? So whatever difficulties come in our life, we have to overcome the difficulties by having a very good by having firm body and also firm mind. So if you are always prepared for the worst, then only you can overcome. You have to overcome your fear by what? By your confidence. If you have confidence, then only you can overcome all the challenges which are coming in your life, and the wind will become your friend. So this is the main purpose of this poem. No rhyme scheme over here. So it's a free verse. Another thing that we can see, there is anaphora over here. Anaphora means the words which is repeated in 3 or more consecutive lines. So here you can see the second, third line, second, third, fourth line. Don't here. This every time this word is repeated again and again. Then again you will see you are. This also we can say anaphora is repeated over here again and again. Anaphora is here. Then personification is also there, because here we can see personification means when we are the wind is actually told about a person, we can say. So that's why wind is a person here. So here we can see, because some of the words over here, like he is mentioned, you is mentioned, you are mentioned, so just as if telling to a person. So that's why we say he, his, friendship. So these are all personified. So this personification is there. Then also we see the repetition of some words are there, like crumbling is repeated again and again over here. Crumbling, so many times crumbling is repeated over here. So repetition is also here. Alliteration is also there, like wind, winnows. These are all alliteration. In one you see w, so ver sound is coming over here. So here we can say the alliteration is used not only here but also here, also won't, what. Here also ww is also repeated over here. So alliteration. And we can say symbolism also. Symbolism of what? Wind refers to the challenges of life. So it is symbolizing the challenges which are coming in our life. So I hope you have understood the poem. I have made you understand in a very easy way. So just go through this poem and do like and share my video, and also subscribe my video. So I hope you have understood the poem, and if you do like the explanation of the poem, do write your comment. You should like and comment and share, and also subscribe my channel.